This is our mukbang because we're not eating because we're not hungry. Period.
Hey, my name is MonaLlisaa and I'm a pleaser. I kinda like the way that music molded me. When I was lonely, it had a different way of holding me, like no one else.
Sips from the cup. Oh, you want some more?
My cup ran over.
I'll drink all of it. Okay, what's up, guys? MonaLlisaa the pleaser, and I'm here with my family.
Of course.
Everyone introduce themselves. We can start with Kai.
Okay. Well, my name's Kai. You can follow me on Snapchat at KYZZEM.
He also has a YouTube channel, Veggie Soldier.
Boom. Period.
It's your boy Jay Edwards. You can follow me on Instagram, Keyway26.
It's your girl T, aka Teenormous. And you can follow me on Instagram _on_cloud_mine.
Period.
Okay, so we're basically just gonna talk about, you know, where we've been, why it's been so long since I posted a channel.
Posted a video to your channel, sis.
Yes, posted a video to my channel. We're also doing a mukbang. It's a whiskey mukbang, but I'm not about to show the bottle, but it's over there.
Because we're not paying no extra money. Period.
Period.
And we're not getting demonetized.
They didn't give me coins to be called out their name.
Dinero.
And no, we're not about to tell who we're wearing because they didn't give us coins for that either.
Period.
Wow.
I'm wearing black from your local grocery store, probably. You know, the 6-pack V-nut.
You stupid.
The Walmart exclusive. So let him know.
Okay, so where have I been? If you're following A&W Squad, unsubscribe to them because I'm obviously not with him anymore. Let's just
Loser.
call a spade a spade. I'm just saying, like, I'm not with him anymore, so
You talking about spades. I'm a player.
unsubscribe to that channel because, you know, it's not gonna be a couple.
I just got back to deployment. Deployment.
Oh,
Well, more so like a peace mission, but I mean, same.
same thing.
Yeah, I just got back to the States, but I'll be going free again, so that's always a fun thing, I guess.
Right.
Over here serving yours truly.
Welcome back, Veggie Soldier.
Appreciate it.
T, where have you been? What's been going on in your life?
In the streets, best in melons. What you mean?
Best in melons.
Facts.
You said industry's best melons?
Yes, making drug deals. So follow along.
So obviously we're cutting that out the YouTube channel because you want my video to get reported so bad.
Oh gosh. Okay, where has T been? Leveling up in life.
Okay.
You know, growing as an individual, do my own thing. I do not have a YouTube channel, but I will be popping in between their twos every now and then, so everything's fine.
Jay, where have you been?
Yeah, I just been over here, training, school, the usual. I am going to be starting a YouTube channel, J Fitness. Look out for it. Coming soon.
Who are you working out with?
Yep.
You? No, you're not.
Oh. He said we're working out, period.
Because if we're going to work out,
Oh my God, you know what I have to do?
You missed that. I said we're going to work out on Pornhub. That's what we're at.
I'm calling the cops.
So,
Wow!
So Pornhub is paying you to drop their name like that? You know what? Don't
He's
trip.
coming to a porn site near you.
I know
Can you
that's
spike
right.
this, please?
So that's what you mean.
But the most important thing is, the whiskey.
Right. So,
I swear I should have been born, in Lynchburg, Tennessee. Not when they was lynching people, but,
are we
Lynchburg.
absolutely.
Yeah, we're gonna need to go there. Period. As a vacation. We should all go to Tennessee for a vacation.
You're the only 10 I see.
Okay. Night-night. Go night-night.
So I wasn't an E-Slapper?
Alright, so we talked about where we've been for the past minute.
Did you tell us where you were?
Facts. Where were
Right.
you?
So where were you?
Oh, I've been saying, I have been promoted at my job.
No.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, man, clap it up.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Clap it up.
I've been getting my mental correct, 'cause
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
relationships, they take a lot out of you. But yeah, that's it. Promotion.
Just work on a better you.
Yeah, working on a better me. But
That's
I
it.
mean, I hope to, be on YouTube more, and we'll see how that goes.
Scratch that. She is going to be on YouTube more.
Some shit like that. I don't fucking know.
She looking for a sugar daddy.
See? Don't do that.
Pause.
I'm just
Pause.
kidding.
Yeah, don't do that.
Oh, wait, no, they're
I'm
really
looking for a
Because,
respectable
Sweet
man
for that love, so.
law-abiding
that
citizen
Bring it in.
law-abiding citizen.
in the military.
Mm-mm.
You don't have to be in the military.
Because they ain't shit.
Oh, amen.
Well, I'm in the military and I am.
Oh, he's in the
Well,
military and
shit.
he's still spitting ain't shit. So.
No.
Well, I said what I said though.
I mean, neighborhood Joe. There's some good ones out there.
Ooh, there. Strong. He poured like half the bottle in there.
Ciao.
The good
Yeah.
Woo.
Whose auntie are you?
Y'all gotta be drinking this mukbang. It's
We've
a
been
mukbang.
drinking.
I've been doing shots right here.
He just did 3 shots in the kitchen back to back. So
I'll take like
he's
5
good
or
for like
6.
He lying like a rug.
Lying like a
no,
rug.
he really did just do a few shots
I'm
back to back.
just.
A whole rug. Or like a blanket.
I'm
I
smooth.
wasn't
Like
there.
a-
If I didn't see it, didn't happen. Period.
Dad,
I'm
you know how to
smooth.
run so
I'm
you press
smooth.
panini?
So
You
you're
smooth?
I'm smooth. Like you wouldn't even know how to say anything.
Wow, that's crazy. How about we take some more shots? Because
We take
period.
one more. You drove?
Not it.
Exactly.
One more.
So you're taking 17 more, period.
Let's go.
Where's the shot? We don't have shot glasses in here.
We sure don't.
How
How are we doing
Grab
the
some?
video with? Yeah.
I will grab some shot glasses and my plate.
I'll edit this out. No, I won't.
No, you won't.
We got one take Drake over here.
Period.
Edit what? Edit who?
All right. So we talk about where we've been. Did we talk about our jobs?
We can start that off.
What does everyone do? What do you do?
Well,
What is your job description?
I'm a soldier, but I'm a 92 golf, which everybody knows what that is. I'm a cook, obviously.
He got money.
And
Period. I'm just kidding.
Be back.
All right. What do you do?
I'm also a soldier. I'm a Joe. For non-military people, that is infantry in the army. And I'm also a student and plan to be in criminal justice field. And real estate. So that's what one of these people real estate.
Not in
So
real
you going to school for real estate?
Criminal justice. Real estate, my uncle's business. I'm working on
You're
it.
trying to be a PL.
Yeah, PL.
That's
Okay.
what you're gonna say in New Jersey?
Maybe.
Where, if you guys could think about your dream place to live, where would you guys live?
Well, I've been to London twice. I've been to a lot of places, but it would be between London and San Diego.
Ooh.
I've loved them both since I first went there, and I went to both of them twice. So
Where would you live at?
For me, it would be London. Definitely, the accents are amazing. Or North Carolina. I'm a simple guy.
okay. That's what's up.
Yeah.
So, if you guys could like do anything in life, I guess basically like a job description or just anything in life, what would you guys most want to do? I guess before you guys die.
Well, what I'm gonna do personally, with once I get out of the military, is I'm going to open a soul food restaurant.
Ooh.
Yeah, but it's gonna be for.
I got wasted that kill.
Oh,
You
okay.
didn't pay me for that.
Yeah.
Period.
No, but it's gonna be geared towards people who are vegetarians, so it's gonna be vegetarian.
Oh.
So
Fancy.
Okay. What about you?
Well, I would love to start a program to help out people wrongfully convicted in prison who didn't do it. Because the
Okay,
system,
Emily.
hashtag criminal justice reform,
Jesus.
ASAP.
Okay, so what we asked
Period.
was if you could do anything before you die, what would you do? Job description, anything, just whatever you would do.
That's a good question.
Some pie. Oh,
No, you're not. The devil's a
You
lie.
see this?
Well, I own beautiful hair, beauty as in TEE full hair on Instagram and Facebook.
Girl, don't put your handle down there. You don't gotta stretch yourself out like that.
Slam.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. Slam. Okay.
Anyway,
She was like, YouTube channel,
I would just
handle.
like to. I would just like to invest in more black-owned businesses so we can stop taking each other out. Because I can't even blame on anybody else taking us out. We're taking our own selves out, so we can come together and support local, makeup artists or produce people like musicians, like poets and stuff like that. Like watch us level up as a whole. That's it. Period. Now I wait for you guys to come in.
Oh, I was waiting for. Okay, boom, you got it anyway.
I respect it.
Yeah, I mean, stay woke.
All the time.
So while we're at it, is there any YouTube channel that you guys
You didn't
enjoy
answer?
watching?
You didn't answer.
I'm
your
gonna get there.
Okay.
I don't do all my answers then.
Oh my God,
feel
this
like
pie.
this is more so about
You
you
already
guys
know.
because this is my
You
channel, so
already
I'm
know.
obviously gonna get to all
I made
that.
that pie.
Okay.
But I want everyone to
Yes,
like,
Get
you know,
the
get to know you guys.
your page.
Exactly.
Okay, you got it.
So Is there any YouTube channel that you guys like? You know what? Screw that. What's your favorite YouTube channel? Someone that you watch diligently all the time.
Wilding out.
I love Will Smith YouTube channel. It's great, very inspiring.
He has a YouTube channel?
He does. It's Mr.
Nick Cannon.
Will Smith.
Oh.
I did not know.
Same thing.
I did not know Will Smith had a YouTube
How him
channel.
and Jada are swingers? Yeah, let's talk about it.
I guess he falls not swingers.
They are swingers.
Okay, well, I have two
Tarzan and
YouTubers that I
Jane.
love, and they're friends, so I love.
Y'all Aggie, let me answer.
I'm sorry, Kai. I'm
Your
sorry.
favorite YouTube channel? What's your favorite YouTube channel?
I love Choice TV and the Mademoiselle. I can't say it. I'm
The
not.
Madam?
Yeah, they're like friends, but they're pretty dope.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
and their chemistry together on camera is just like so fucking lit.
I love Choice TV and Goddamn Zoe. That is.
Ooh, so.
That's
What was it?
That's my
What?
channels. Period. Like that's me all day.
I know.
So what else? Oh, this is a good one because I don't think anybody ever thinks about this.
What?
Dream car. If you guys could have a dream car, what would it be?
Ooh, what's the name? What's the brand of that car? Kai, you?
Well, okay.
Me? Oh, go ahead. I want a BMW. I really don't care what series it is. I just want it to be midnight blue with charcoal colored seats and black alloy rims. Yeah.
You thought about this, huh?
So that's what I want, and that's what I'm going to have.
Speak it. Speak it.
Speak it into Jesus.
Amen? Honda Shinanoya.
And for
Speak it
me,
into whatever higher power you believe in.
Believe in,
Period.
period.
it's this movie called I, Robot. Will Smith. If you haven't seen it, it's a good movie. I recommend it.
Oh, you dropping his name like he paid me. Crazy.
Is that the one where
Well,
Okay.
shout me out.
is that the one where all the robots go bad
Yes.
except for that one?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a good movie. So he's driving an Audi. Never seen that Audi. Like I'm an Audi, so Audi definitely. And a Lambo, obviously. Who doesn't want a Lambo?
Not me. I don't want a Lambo.
What do you want?
My Kia. I can barely afford that. I want
I know that's right.
Yo,
You are so annoying.
I personally
It's the
want
simple
a matte black Audi that I will be getting
See?
with the courtesy of YouTube. Period.
That's the 4 rings, right? That's an
Appreciate
Audi?
it.
Yes, 4 rings.
It is sweet. I've seen a lot of nice.
Which I plan on getting 4 rings when I get married. Period.
Yeah, facts. You heard that?
So that brings me to love life. How is everybody in their love life? I am.
I'm so fucking
You can't wait that.
Did y'all hear the question? Because
What was
there's
the
too many
question?
boo lovers.
We're not boo lovers.
How is everyone in their love life right now?
Yes, TJ. How's everybody in their love life right now?
Hey, T&J.
Hey,
JT.
TJ
I like
channel's
that.
coming soon. Look out for that. It's gonna be a daily vlog channel.
Y'all gonna have a
It's gonna be
channel?
an Instagram. We're gonna have an Instagram page before anything.
You guys
Okay,
gonna
y'all
have a
finna be
YouTube
goals.
channel?
That's coming later on.
We could.
Working on the details and everything.
Oh, sis said, okay. Sis
Couple
gave us a
channels,
look,
I'm
that's
just
it.
saying, like-
Alright.
Couple channels is where it's at right now.
Okay, then we'll be there. Say no more.
Right. So, Mo, how's your love life?
Oh, you so shady.
MonaLlisaa,
Period.
please.
Facts.
In my love life right now, I'm screaming. I don't care about y'all niggas.
Love?
Period.
I'm screaming whatever city girls be screaming. Fuck out of here.
Right. If your baby daddy called,
Decline it.
decline it.
Period.
Period. Like I don't know. Like I'm not with it.
Right.
I'm about my paper right now. So
That's a good thing.
I don't know. I just realized that I haven't been looking at the camera this whole time.
You haven't?
No. I haven't been looking at you or this way. You know why?
Because you're like a talk show.
Because I'm a
host.
little, you know what I'm saying? Like my eyes a little.
People might think that you're making fun of Asian people. You might want to chill.
Cheeky. So I haven't been looking at the camera. But
Ciao.
The
child,
gap.
everything's okay. So how's your love life?
It's grand.
You talking to us?
No, we don't.
What's been going on in your love life?
Yes,
Nothing,
update us.
actually. Wow, y'all so fucking shady.
How are we shady?
Did
I'm
you
just
find
saying.
love overseas, or when you came back, or did you have love before you left? Did it develop into something? Are you
I found
single?
love in basic training.
So
Yeah.
he's basic.
He's a simple guy.
I like the reply. I
Yeah.
respect it. Okay, good comeback.
Yeah, I'm married, Mona. Just like.
Thank
That's
you. That's
your
all I
good
had to
idea.
say. Like,
Flash
just
the ring. Flash
say.
the ring.
No, we're good.
So you
We're
never
not
flash
doing
the
that.
ring?
Absolutely not.
He has a very pretty rose gold ring on his finger. You know, so, you know. Maybe in a year I'll have a rose gold ring on my finger. But
You better eat the first bite.
No, you're gonna get something more extravagant.
Woo!
Let's go.
Not that it's not that not that a rose gold ring is bad, but like it's different for y'all.
What's bad?
You know what I'm saying?
Is it different for males?
Yeah,
I want,
it's
like-
different for the
Let me
male.
see. I know it's just black. Is it rose gold?
It is, no.
No, I lied. Period.
So-
I'll put out a video. I lied.
Yeah, but it's different for y'all because you know what I'm saying. When y'all get engagement rings and y'all get wedding
It's big and
rings,
extravagant.
it's big and men
It better be. That's how you draw them in. Hook, line, and sinker. If it's not big, I don't want it. Amen.
hook, line, and sinker.
I want chocolate. Yeah, yeah.
No
I want
pressure.
chocolate diamonds. Yeah.
Chocolate diamonds. What's
Yes,
that?
like I am. Godiva.
So,
Sure am.
Shreyer? What is
sure
that?
am.
Sure am.
Oh.
What?
Shreyer? What is that?
I didn't know what that was. I was like,
Okay, did somebody take her cup away from her? Jesus. She said, what is the
Child,
shroud?
whiskey mukbang, period.
Facts.
So,
Can we talk about it?
So what type of niggas you like, Mona?
Ooh, yes. What's your type? What's your
my
go-to?
type would probably be tall. I don't like a guy shorter than me because
What's your height? Name your
I'm
height.
5'7".
Okay.
So I don't want a guy shorter than me because I don't want to feel like I'm dating my child. I don't really care about all that stuff. You know how girls be like, "Oh, look at his sneakers." I don't really look at that type thing. You know what I mean? They be like, "Ew,
But
look
that's
at her."
superficial.
Yeah, I'm not. There you go. I'm not a superficial person. I go for more so personality. But I mean, obviously, I want looks because my last. I want looks.
I digress.
Let them know.
Right.
Let
I
them know.
But also, you gotta be careful.
I
With
want-
even guys that don't have, name brand and nice
Even
haircut,
guys
with the
ugly still
brand.
cheap.
Well, cheat.
Even
Right.
ugly guys still cheat
Right.
too. Like we sit here trying to
Right.
get y'all win. No,
Right.
you're not
Right.
ugly. Don't worry.
I'm lying.
But I'm saying, you know what I mean? Like ugly guys, you put them on a higher pedestal, and they still like
Oh, dude, y'all say that?
say what?
They y'all dating in the video?
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I could.
Well,
I
they said
just
JT
realized.
I just
They said
haven't
like
noticed
JT
already, guys.
Oh, they all did say y'all channel was coming soon.
Yeah, we do have a couple
Y'all,
channels
they
going
do have a channel
They do come
coming
out
soon, so
soon.
watch out for that.
for that
I'm gonna promote them because
Probably
they
next
family,
year,
but other people
sometime towards the end.
run me my check, run me my dough. Period.
oh no, we're not gonna do a channel towards the end because did you tell me you're getting deployed?
Yes, yeah, but towards the end, I'll be back towards the end of next year.
We could do half and half channels.
So basically, you're not doing a channel in 2019, but it might be coming 2020.
We can aim for that. Or I was gonna do a deployment vlog so people would know how.
What would you
to
guys call your channel if you guys had a channel?
Ooh, Teenormous.
Stop.
I'm just kidding, Mom.
What if it's not Jay?
Do you want some? You want milk?
You so shady.
Juice. What you do? So now we can't. Now we can't have Teenormous.
Wait, you heard me?
I heard you. Don't worry, the baby coming.
No, you're not. I'm getting him juice.
Oh, you just gonna leave me in the room with this man after I just do shade? Listen, no shade, but I'm
Sound
just
good.
saying, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, period. Sorry.
Not period.
My eyes
sorry.
a little low, so,
Okay, so
you know
I need
what I'm saying?
you need to
They
show.
here with it.
Wait, where'd you get that? Where'd that logo come from? I was about to tell you to show it. Don't got no logo on it.
Yeah.
Y'all need to pay attention to her mug.
It just
This
says
shit
I'm
is like,
effing fabulous.
she's fucking fabulous.
Right. I really hope that they can hear you on this.
Am I talking loud?
A little bit.
I kind of feel like I can hear you, but I don't know if they can hear you.
Oh
type
shit.
thing.
Well, I really don't talk loud naturally.
Is it Metro?
I got
Is
you.
it MonaLlisaa to the pizza?
Yeah, you gotta edit it out though, because remember the person.
Oh yeah, I screwed that. I've never done a video with other people, so I got kind of nervous. I'm not gonna lie.
How did you screw it up?
Cause,
Really good energy.
well, cause at the beginning I was like, "It's MonaLlisaa, please." It's Mona, you know. I was like, you
Did you
know,
mess that up?
sounding stupid. Yeah.
It sounded good on my end. But
No. The last time I did it sounded good, but I'm saying like I did it like 3 times.
oh,
Cause I've never done like
well they learning with us.
what is this called? Like a
Intro.
no when you do with other people.
It's a vlog. It's just-
No.
It's a gangbang.
Oh gosh. Night.
I'm just kidding.
It's a gangbang.
No,
period.
it's called something when you. I don't want to say a feature, but like when you.
Oh yeah, it's a vlog features other features.
No, but there's a name for it. she's
No,
saying.
it is. It's a YouTube name for it. I just can't think of it because it's
Yeah,
whiskey.
me either.
Period.
I can't think of a period because I'm not fucking in the YouTube community like that. So
But you should be. He had the most views when we first started this.
That
We
video
started
you
it
posted?
together. The one about Kanika. He had like 1,000 views on that.
Yeah.
When you woke up in the morning, and I texted him like, "Oh my god, you got 1,000 views!" And he was like,
She screenshotted it.
"I really did. I was so
I didn't even go
excited
back and
for
read
him."
nothing. I just put the video
So that
up.
jump was from the heart.
No,
Yeah.
but seriously, and he got 1,000 views. And I remember texting you, and I was like,
It's
"Oh
like
my
up to
god, I was
6
so excited!" And you was like, "Oh, did I get 1,000? I didn't even know."
Everybody, he mad at the world.
When I post a video, I'm like obsessed about it. Like you post like an Instagram picture,
Yeah.
and you're like obsessed about the likes.
Yeah,
That's why like YouTube is just.
but
I mean,
I've
like,
never been
it's-
like that on
I
social
am.
media. Like I'll post something.
Cause you get likes like that.
But
With
I'll
people
post
that's
something-
ugly.
And I posted, you're not ugly. You tried. And even-
We're obsessed with it, like likes and stuff.
no, like
That's
I've always
like-
been like that. Even when I was getting like 3, 4, 5 likes.
I feel like you
I was
probably
just
could have been
posting.
like that.
Yeah, I posted because I like it.
But that's what's wrong with us now.
Right.
We're always looking to see who liked it, who didn't like it.
Yeah.
Like everybody's always posting something for other people, not for themselves.
Right.
That's
If
true.
I post a picture, it's because I like it. If I share something on Facebook, it's because I like it.
Not saying there's nothing wrong with that, but we
No,
too
there's-
media hungry. Like
Yeah.
you barely know
That's
people
true.
or interact with them
Yeah,
every
you
day,
care
but you
so
worried
much
about. Do
about
they hit
their
you
opinion.
up in your inbox like, hey, are you okay? Are you mentally like, good? Like how are
That
you?
part.
No, they
That
just like
part.
your stuff, and they sitting here, loving the story that you portray when it's not the truth, point blank.
That's
Exactly.
true.
That's why I don't sit here
That's
and I don't
true.
put on no facade.
Exactly.
I am
I've been there,
not
done
funny.
that. I lived a lie, so
I am not none of that. I'm not any of that extra shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't put on no front. I don't make it seem like I gotta like anything. I'm boring as fuck. All I want to do is sit in the house and eat. Period.
time out. He's not boring.
He's
funny
not
as hell.
boring. He's the funniest thing that's gonna be on this channel. First of all, because I ain't that funny, but he's the funniest thing that's gonna be on this channel. Oh my god, you. Never mind. I'm about to drop somebody's name, but they ain't paying me. Period. So. I digress.
Okay. We'll talk about it when the camera
Yeah,
goes
exactly. Because I was definitely about to drop somebody's
Yeah,
name.
no more
but
milk. You drunk it way too
although I
fast.
love him, I'm not gonna be dropping his name like that.
And it's
'cause
juice.
You're not paying me cash money.
Right. Cash money.
Period. Exactly. And until the day I can stop working, we're not about to be dropping nobody's name for free.
You're not getting
I
no more
felt
juice.
That part. Okay, so
What else?
life goals. What's everybody's life goal?
Okay. I mean, I genuinely just want to have a family and be happy.
I know that's
Legit,
right.
like, skip all the extra shit. I don't care about none of the superficial bullshit.
'Cause
Oh,
they can
have
hold
something
on.
so
real at the
simple.
end
Time
of
out.
the day.
Time out. Once I obtain my BMW, after that, then I want
You good?
anything superficial.
Right.
But
Off of Jesus.
whether I get BMW or not, all jokes aside, I genuinely just want to be happy. Like I want to have my family. I want to have our dogs, ranch style house, Victorian even shit.
What kind of dog do you want to have?
I want a husky.
I know that, but I just want to.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? I
Well, I'm
want
gonna
you
get
to
one when
know.
I come back from Korea.
So life goals.
You next, though.
Life goals for me. Definitely, I wanna start a family. I wanna definitely make a difference. Like I definitely wanna leave the world better than what I came into it. Definitely.
Amen.
Okay, I felt that.
That's about it. I'm a simple guy. I just
Right.
want to be able to take care of my people. Point blank. Period. Vitamin necessary.
I know that's right.
T.
I'm busy over here kissing time. Keep doing. What's the question?
Life goals.
Life goals. It's hard to follow up after Jay. Damn.
Well,
I want to not go to hell after I die. How about that?
You want to do what? You don't want to do what?
I don't want to go to HE hockey sticks before,
I thought you said I don't want to go to heven after I die. I was about to
Wait
say,
a
girl,
minute. Wait.
You live in a very dangerous life.
I want to go to heaven, and I want to go. No, y'all wasn't gonna finish it. Period.
no. that was
okay.
like,
I
I
was
wanna
keeping
go.
the beat.
Nah, you good. Don't
Alright,
trip.
okay, cool.
Period.
I can't.
Life goal, girl.
Life goal. I mean, I feel like I've been there, done that. You know what I mean? So it's just like,
So you obtained
not
everything
saying the
that you
life goal, but I'm finally getting my restart. You know what I mean? An actual chance to, for happiness and stuff. So,
want. Freak.
for beautiful hair to actually be a brand,
I know that's right.
coming to a place near you because it's gonna be everywhere eventually. And just to be not even an end on, just it's
Just
simple
want
for
to be
me.
happy.
That's it, happy.
Yeah.
Internally, mind, body, and spirit, like, boom.
First of all, shout out to the veggie shoulder for getting me
Shoulder?
I just realized I said that.
They get it.
Shout out to the Veggie Soldier for providing me with this tripod to make this video possible. But as I was saying, what do you hope to accomplish in 2019?
From left to right. Go ahead, some time.
From left to right.
I thought this was for
From
the
left to
audience.
right.
No, I didn't know we were supposed to answer now because I was like, who do you plan on bringing into the new year and who don't you plan on bringing?
Oh yeah, that's what I thought you were asking.
Oh, I thought this was for the audience.
Stop.
Comment in the section who do you plan to bring, who do you plan to leave out. Yeah.
That's so shady because I hope other people gonna be like, I don't plan to bring this person. I don't plan to bring this
That's
person.
fine.
And they gonna watch this video and be like,
Do your neighbors right, they won't be in the
That's
comments.
what I'm going to
Do your neighbors
2019
right.
with you, but guess not.
exactly. I think
Right.
that's why I didn't ask that question per se because I have a couple people that I'm not bringing into 2019 that say they're close to me or whatever.
Mm.
So that's why I asked, what do you guys expect from 2019? Because I'm trying to be a new me in 2019, and I don't want to be petty and shady and rude.
True.
Mm.
That's too much effort.
So I don't
Preach.
wanna be dropping names
So
because then they have
No.
power over me, and I don't want nobody to have power over me because I am my own being.
And you don't gotta, get over stuff unless I can go.
And I plan to level up in 2019, and I don't want anybody to be attached to my name.
Level up. Level up.
So,
Damaris,
as I was saying, in 2019, what do you plan to accomplish? As in money-wise, job-wise, anything that you want to say, what do you plan to accomplish?
Starting with me?
From left to right. Because we've been starting with Kai all day, so.
Yeah. Definitely have my own place again. Pay my car off. All done. Good job, Bookie. Have my car pay off. Probably work 2 jobs like everybody else in Jersey. Have a successful relationship, love life, like business. You got him, boy? Huh?
Oh, no, continue.
Oh,
Sorry, I was thinking.
I'm not gonna name names, but I know the people I'm leaving in 2018, and I'm totally fine with that. I gotta accept them for who they are and leave them behind. That's it. Boom.
Well, let me jump in. Alright, so
Let me get that.
let me get in there.
What did
Okay.
Kanye say when he interrupted? What's her face?
How, Sway? How?
He did not say houseway.
Yes, he did.
He was like, you don't have the answer, Sway.
I'm gonna let you.
Not that.
I'm gonna let you finish
Yes,
in a minute.
thank you.
Oh, Taylor Swift.
I said when he interrupted.
Oh,
what's
she
her
not
face?
paying me for this drop.
Give us Kanye,
Cut.
but
Don't know her like
So 20 was it
19?
2019.
2019, I definitely plan on re-upping, come back bigger, stronger, on spot, of course.
Re-up and what?
Come back better and stronger and wiser.
from deployment or
Stronger,
No,
wiser.
For
like-
everything.
You
Where are
re-up
you
in your
from?
contract or?
Stronger, wiser.
Stronger, wiser.
I feel like you said
Look.
that very African, Nigerian.
Stronger.
I'm telling you, he's not black. He has to be mixed with something.
What do you mix with?
I don't know, Ancestry.com. Hit me up.
You're
Let's
mixed
Nah,
with
mixed with-
Ancestry.com.
Let's find this
First of
out.
all,
Let's find this out.
Ancestry.com is not paying us for this,
Alright,
so
well, I'm gonna
That's
find
Rob
out.
at CVS.
I'm gonna swab.
Period.
Pause. We're gonna
yo,
figure this out together.
I
Guys.
can't.
Yeah, definitely just re-upping, coming back bigger, better, stronger.
Praying for
That
his
means you
state.
re-enlisting.
Yes, definitely not gonna do that. No shade.
Are you realistic?
No shade.
Girl.
What's the T, sis?
I mean, I'm not saying this is a family channel, so you can say whatever you want, but I'm just saying. I
Nah.
wasn't expecting that.
Nah.
No?
I'm good. I have somebody who is very
You got somebody to live for.
patriotic, so he can re-up for the both of us.
Shout out to this cup.
And we're gonna
Just saying.
just try to lead by example.
Boom.
Show the world that true love still exists, good guys still exist, good women still exist. You know what I'm
Amen
saying?
to that.
Let's step it up.
Pearls clutching, period.
Mm.
So I guess that's on me. In 2019, I expect to have this YouTube channel prosper. I expect to have my merch out. I expect to be in a higher power in my job. Past manager. Let's hope. And I just hope to be a better me. Hope to be a better person. Hope to leave the people in 2018 that I feel is toxic. Leave them in 2018 and come to 2019 bigger and better and prosperous and have a whole bunch more money in my pocket, period.
Boom.
Felt that.
Facts.
Felt that right
That's
there.
just, right in this area.
Yeah.
Like, in a heart shape. Yeah. Right here.
I mean, in 2019 for me, I would have to say
Wedding?
I'm gonna do an actual ceremony because a lot of people are pissed off.
That I'll probably vlog.
That-
I'm just letting you know. Do I have permission to vlog your wedding?
Yeah, I don't care.
Yes, I'm gonna be the best man. What you mean? I got my tux picked out and everything.
I plan on laying down the foundation for me and my partner to have a surrogate
Teenormous.
mother.
If you don't find one, you already know I'm gonna carry your baby.
Definitely.
Pause. Do you have a date yet? Is that or no? You still discussing it?
Date what?
For
I mean,
wedding?
For the wedding.
technically I'm married.
Oh, but are you?
He's already married,
You doing
but-
ceremony that day?
Yeah,
Right.
because his family is like really into church and stuff.
You got the date yet or no?
So, no, not yet.
Okay, well, try to hold off until I get back to the appointment.
Oh no, because that means I would have to do it when it's cold outside, and
No.
I can't do it.
Okay.
I'll do a touch win.
So aren't both of you guys going on the appointment?
I'm
No,
gonna
he's
be gone
getting
for a year.
restationed to Korea.
Oh,
He's
you
not
gonna
coming
be
back and
living
forth.
there?
When do you come back?
I come back around Thanksgiving.
Of next year?
Of next year? Of 2020?
19.
Okay, that's perfect.
He leaves in January.
Nah, it's
I was
perfect.
20.
You
And
know
you come
why?
back in November?
Because I won't come back until 2020. Like I won't come back until like
Oh, okay. So the wedding won't
Yeah,
be
in the
Perfect.
summer.
Perfect. I'm in there.
So that's perfect. Yeah.
You don't know if he inviting you?
So summer
You don't know,
2020
I'm plus
is
one.
when the wedding's
Act
going to
like
be.
you-
Zai's my plus one. I don't think I can.
Summer 2020?
I know you said that.
Is,
Yeah.
Is that
Summer
Zach
2020.
Zach count plus one?
Absolutely not. He's a part of the wedding.
He's gonna be a ring bearer?
Yes.
But
Yes.
how old is he gonna be by the time it's 2020?
It don't matter. Him and
He's going to be
Enzo,
4.
they're gonna bear those rings down the aisle. What you
How
mean?
cute is that? 2 gay guys getting married and 2 little boys carrying the rings.
Well, I'm gonna
And
have them.
Tiana as the best man.
I don't want it to be like one of those. I don't
You're
want it to
so
be.
lucky.
I don't want it to be one of those situations. So like, I'm gonna
I
have them
understand, yeah.
separately. Like I'm gonna have them walk down.
No,
'cause
I
I
mean,
don't want.
but still, how cute
Yeah.
is that? It's like an almost like all male wedding.
Yeah,
way.
true.
Oh.
That's why I'm gonna be a best man because I refuse to argue.
No.
Nope, there's no.
You're not about to be nobody's best man. You could be a best woman.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Whoa,
You
man.
can be the best whatever you want.
It's a bridesmaid.
Thank you.
You're having bridesmaids, you're having groomsmen.
My shit is literally gonna be lined. It's not gonna be like bridesmaids and groomsmen because
It's gonna be mixed.
I don't. Yeah, it's gonna be mixed because
On both
they're
sides?
telling how many
Yeah.
people, and it's not gonna be. It's not gonna be a traditional wedding anyway.
Right, so what are you going to call the
Some are
girls?
traditional.
Yeah, so
True.
I mean, but I want to get the ball rolling with my surrogate and just figure out where I'm gonna go after. What is it? After I get back from Korea, because Fort Drum is not an option.
Is
so,
that you're finishing your time out in Korea?
No, I still have a couple months left, so I might
When you come
extend.
back?
Yeah, I might extend a couple extra months just to finish out my contract because I want
In
to say
Korea?
I want to say like once I get back, I have like 5 more months left.
But you know all that paperwork to getting out and all stuff.
Oh, don't
takes a
worry.
minute.
No, it's gonna be
Yeah,
done
so-
very quickly.
Oh my gosh. What do you got flashing face?
So basically, you plan on
Have my
Working,
actual ceremony,
having-
obtaining rank while I'm still in, having the surrogate, and work like laying down a foundation for my family in the future because there is life after the military, and a lot of people don't think there
Facts.
is, and I'm not one of those people.
And as much as they prepare you for it, with all these
They don't
seminars
really.
and stuff, you're not really prepared for it.
Exactly.
The wives, the you know the husbands, anybody, the kids, like I don't care how many hours y'all have to sit. It's not like that in real life.
Yep.
Okay, so to conclude this video, what is the best advice you can give the people watching for their coming into 2019?
You start with me.
That you learned from 2018. If you can give somebody advice for 2019, what would it be?
Left to right, right.
Me.
Left to right.
There is love after your worst breakup, love after divorce, love after anything. Like, don't ever give up on that or think all people are the same. And you can pretty much do anything that you want to. I'm talking business wise, relationship wise, like parenting wise. Like, you got it.
Period.
For me, I'm gonna say, get out your own way. Like, whatever you're gonna do is there.
That part.
It's already there. Just move out the way. Stop stressing. Don't overthink. Do what you need to do. You already know. Let's get it.
I'm gonna go with what he said. I'm gonna go with get out your own way. Do what you want to do. Life is too short. If you wanna be a celebrity, be a celebrity. If you wanna
Be a thought.
be on, if you wanna be on the moon, be on the moon. Like, I just want everyone to know that they can be whatever they want to be. They can aspire to whatever they want to inspire, and I mean, if you want to be a singer, be a singer. Like,
If
do
you
what
can
want to
sing.
do.
Hit them notes. If you can't sing,
If you can't
hit the
sing,
roll
be
on
a
the
singer
ball.
anyway.
With
sis,
the
like-
the basketball, if you
Sissy.
can sing.
No, if you
You're
feel like you can sing, do what
Sing
you gotta
your
do.
heart out.
Because I've had a lot of people tell me I can't sing,
Huh?
and I got a whole EP coming out, which will be coming soon
It is
after
amazing.
this video.
It is really good.
So basically, do whatever you want to do. If you have like a disorder, you know what I'm saying, just
Don't let
know
that slow
that
you
there's
down.
outlets you can reach out to, including me. DM me, I will answer. You know what I mean? Just
DM me,
anything,
yes.
like, you know, just know that you're not weird for being the person that you are, and you are not, you know, something that people won't accept, because you are who you are. If you want to do something in life, just do it. That's my best advice that I have for 2019, because I'm hoping that I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna prosper. So that's all I got.
Right. The best advice I can give you is, let me think about that.
You had 3 turns to think about it.
Nah, because I'm really trying to figure out how I want to word it, because I don't want to just gear it towards.
Not to
one person.
mention, going last
So-
is the hardest, because everybody said what, you know,
Right.
everybody said their thing, and he might have wanted to say that.
Just make sure y'all take care of yourselves. Like, it doesn't matter if it's physical, mental, anything. If it's a physicality, like you want to get in the gym more, you want to start taking care of
There it is.
your physical health, do that. But don't neglect the fact that mental health is very important, and
Yes.
you need to make sure that you take care of mental health, because you can be as appealing on the outside as you want to be,
True.
and really truly be broken on the inside. So that's
Yes.
something that you definitely need to work on, because you never know who you're going to affect. And if you're a all-around positive person and you worked out all your baggage, you never know you can help somebody else. So
Sure.
that's the
There
advice
it
that
is.
I can
'Cause
personally
hurt
give you out for
people-
2019. Hurt people.
Hurt people hurt other people,
Mhm.
and that's a fact.
Mhm.
And that's why you got to break the cycle. If you
It's
know
a
you,
cycle.
if you
Break
know
it,
you're not
please.
fully together, do not entertain somebody else, because you're gonna end up hurting them because you're not
That
healed
part.
in the first place.
That part.
Stop wasting people's time. If you're not ready, that's okay not to be ready. Take that time out to get yourself together. That's it.
I
And
feel
make
like you
sure,
was talking to a certain person, but I'm a.
No, I'm saying
Right,
in
and if
general,
you have
because I
kids-
was a hurt person. I hurt people.
if you're a parent, you got to remember that everything that you do, your child is going to soak up and bring back to the world. So peace and positivity.
So after that, I mean, it's MonaLlisaa the Pizza, and pretty much I'm out. I don't have an intro, so I mean, I
Outro.
don't have an outro yet. I mean, this is gonna be my first official video for 2019, so I'll get it together. But other than that, I mean, have a happy New Year, have a Merry Christmas, and I mean, that's all I got.
MonaLlisaa, the pleaser. Yeah, I'm addicted to you. A full package. You can rap and sing. The industry's sleeping on you. This is your day, baby girl. I'm a roller. Shot at the shot till you throw up. You son of them bitches. You tell them to grow up. Remember the squad whenever you blow up. This is your day, baby girl. I'm a roller. Shot at the shot till you throw up. You son of them bitches. You tell them to grow up. Remember the squad whenever you.